In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group chat in Zoho Cliq. Whether you're managing a team project, planning an event, or just coordinating with friends, starting a group chat on Zoho Cliq can simplify your communication process. So, let's dive into how you can set up your own group chat quickly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to open Zoho Cliq. You can do this on your desktop or by using the mobile app on your phone or tablet. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the Chats section. This area is typically your go-to for accessing recent conversations and initiating new ones. Next, you'll want to locate the Quick Actions icon, which looks like a small plus sign. Plus. This icon is conveniently located next to the search bar. Give it a click to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, you'll select Start a Group Chat. This option is specifically designed for creating new group conversations, meaning you're on the right track to connecting with multiple people at once. Now that you have the Start a Group Chat window open, it's time to choose who you want in your group. You can add members by simply typing their names or email addresses into the designated field. Zoho Cliq will offer suggestions as you type, making it easier to ensure you're selecting the right contacts. If you're planning a discussion that might span several topics or projects, consider naming your group to keep things organized and make it easily identifiable at a glance. Once you've set your group members and optional title, the next step is to click Initiate Chat or, depending on your version, Create. Doing this officially launches your group conversation. You're all set. The group chat is ready to go. At this point, you can start messaging your group, sharing files, set up tasks, or even initiate video calls, all within your newly formed chat. And there you have it. You've successfully created a group chat in Zoho Cliq. Remember, staying organized with named groups and clear communication is key to making the best of this platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes you feel more equipped to manage your group communications with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends or colleagues who might benefit from it, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy chatting!